Good evening, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yes, ve-
Good evening, ma'am.
yes, very good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yes, I'm a fit as a fiddle. Thank you so much for asking. I would like to ask you how's going on your channel. I really curiosity to know about your channel because when I interact with you last time, so at that time you told me my channel again demonetized because of some issues. So yeah, please
Yes,
tell me
yes.
something.
Yes, nowadays my channel is going on very well. There is no problem because I have been running my YouTube channel around 1 year and 2 months. But after completing just 8 months, my channel has been monetized. But there is a problem. After that also, there is a problem in my AdSense account. After that also, it was demonetized again. And finally, nowadays 1 month ago, it has been monetized. Yeah, and right now also I am happy. Yeah. And ma'am,
All
how is the
right,
channel going on?
That's great. I must say many congratulations and keep growing.
Yes, yes. Thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, how is the channel going on?
Yes, my channel is going also well. I'm round the corner 1000.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And nowadays, do you upload the video every single day on your YouTube channel?
Yes, I upload every single day. I try to upload every single day, but sometime I stuck another work or sometime I don't want to editing, making thumbnails, sometime feeling lethargic. Then I just skip. Otherwise, I upload every day.
Yes, but nowadays I notice that who are learning this language and who have been running their YouTube channel for a long time, don't upload the video every single day because in the Skype application, in the Team application, there is no option for recording. That's why they don't make this kind of video. They are not interested for making this kind of video because there is no option for recording. That's why they don't want to make the video call. They always want to make a audio call. Yeah, and that's why
Hmm.
I noticed that many YouTuber don't upload the video every single day. And many people, they are also many learner, they are also making the solo video and as well as also blog video.
Yes, right, right. So, do you
And ma'am,
also? Mhm.
yes, ask me.
Yes, do you also like create solo video or some blogging kind of?
Yes, as when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I always made blog video. I always like making the blog video. But whenever I get free time, I always go to the field area, and at that place I always make the blog video. And in my channel, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I make one blog video.
All right. Okay. So do you upload each and every single day or
Yes, yes. I
alternatives?
uh, I try to I try to upload I try to upload the video on my YouTube channel every single day. And nowadays, every single day, I always upload the video on my YouTube channel.
I must say you are doing really hard work. You are
Yes,
handling your hospital's work and as well as you are also creating video. So it's really, I can say tough. Those are working professional.
yes, yeah. You know very well. First, I work in a hospital. That's why I have to do shifting duty, morning, evening, night. And being a family member, I have a lot of work in my house. And you know very well, for practicing purpose, I am a learner. I am learning this language, and that's why also I always make this kind of video. After that also I have to edit properly, and after that also I have to give the subtitle in the video, and after that also I have to upload the video on my YouTube channel. That's why I have to do so many things, and it is so difficult for me. And ma'am, right now also you are being a housewife, you have a lot of work in your house, right? And nowadays you are a teacher, you are running a YouTube channel, as well as also you are learning the language. But how do you manage your time?
Yes, I can say, if we have a fire or if we have a passion to learn something and to do something, so time automatically comes. And here I would like to say, if we want to do something, so we have to make plan, lesson plan, timetable. We have to make timetable. If we go with timetable, if we do something according to timetable, so we can do.
Yes, 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 yes. And ma'am, I know about yourself right now. You are a teacher, and ma'am, first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Yes, sure. As you know that my name is Suman. I am from Delhi and I am a teacher by profession. Currently, I am doing masters in English literature. Simultaneously, I am also running a YouTube channel. My channel name is Learn English with Suman. Over there, I upload English conversation video. Sometime I make as like I come across any words meaning. So I thought this meaning my audience also requires. So I try to make sentences. Then I upload on my channel. So nowadays I am
Yes,
doing
yes,
like that. Yeah.
yes. It is good to know about yourself. And ma'am, may I introduce myself?
I think I know very well, so there is no need to introduce
All
because we
right.
already connect 3 to 4 times, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right. And ma'am,
So
right now you are a teacher, and in which school
mhm.
do you teach?
Actually,
English
I
medium
don't go any
or native
school.
language?
Actually I don't teach any school. I just teach at my home. I open my small, I can say, institute at my home. So I teach at my home, and as well as I am also taking online class. That's all about me.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And in your class, do you speak in English with your student?
Yes, actually, I speak mix. I always thought I have to speak with my kids. I also I give instructions to my student. Please start speaking English. But as we are habitual, so we don't go totally in English. Sometimes we forget, so just come again our native language. But I try to speak in English. But I can say mix.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes,
nowadays.
and
Yes, yes, go
yes,
ahead,
tell
sir.
me.
Yes, I'm
One of my
asking
friends,
nowadays.
yes, ask me.
Uh-huh. Nowadays, holiday vacation going on. I think your kids also vacation going on. So have you visited so far any
No, actually,
particular place?
no, no, no. Actually, I work in a hospital. That's why I have to do shifting duty, and in this time there is no holiday in the hospital. Yeah, that's why I also did not go anywhere.
All right. Okay. So how they enjoy their
And
holidays?
yes, so whenever I get free time, and always go to the I go to the park in the park with my family. Yeah, and at that time I have one daughter, and she always like go there. Yeah, and that's why also I whenever I get free time, I always go to the park.
All right. You go park to refresh your mind, right? Okay, yeah, I can say nowadays in the park evening time also feel fresh because
Yes,
uh sometime in the during we stay at home whole day so sometime we get bored, lethargic. Yeah.
yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. One of my friends, he is doing a job in the English medium school as an English teacher, and I asked the question to him. Yeah, during your class, do you speak your do you teach your native language or our native language, English language or our native language? And he told me, bro, I can't. I don't teach the English language. I always use my native language because student cannot understand. Yeah, student cannot understand. That's why also I don't use the English language. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And in the English medium school, what do you think? Is it right or wrong?
It is totally wrong, I can say. If people spend more and more money because of just English medium school, parents thought, uh, if I send my kids English medium school, so maybe they learn English, they can inculcate in their daily routine, but they are not getting from there. So this is a totally wrong. You know, I have also one son. Whenever I went to or I can say go to PTM, so I've always raised my this question: why don't you follow these instructions? If you hang out the board like out of school, so why teachers are not using only English? Why they are using mix? Actually, in my son school, they use mix. So they always say if he
Yes,
if
yes.
he speaks if he speaks only English, so some kids are not able to understand. That's the reason we have to teach them mixed language. But you know, there are
Yes, yes.
so many person, there are so many people. This says if student not understand like 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 month, 2 month, slowly and gradually they can understand. But I don't know why
Yes,
teachers
yes.
are not following these kind of rules.
Yes, according to me, being an English teacher in English medium school, always you have to speak in English, yeah, and always you have to make a good English environment in the classroom so that student can understand, student can learn this language very easily, yeah. And maybe student cannot understand 1 week or 2 weeks, but after 1 month and 2 months, definitely they will catch your language and they will understand your language. But always you have to make a good English environment in the classroom.
Yes, right. Absolutely right.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, and right now you are learning this language as well as also you are teaching. And ma'am, what do you think? What do you think? What is the most important part for learning this language?
Your question is that as I am teaching or as I am learning this language, so what is the main part of
Yes, yes,
English, right?
yes.
Could
To
you
learn this language,
elaborate
what is
little
the
bit more?
yes, I am telling you, I am learning this language, and you are also learning this language, as well as also you are also teaching few students. And according to you, what is the most important part for learning this language? I mean, thinking English or English grammar or reading, writing, or vocabulary. Which part is the most important for learning this language?
I can say every part is most important. If I talk about like reading, if student read books, so they can clear their pronunciation. Until and unless student not know how to read properly, so how they become fluent speaker first of all, like how to pronunciation the words. And second things, speaking. Whatever we know, just we try to speak out. There is no mandatory just when I become fluent little bit, then I try to speak. So this is also not good for student. I always recommend my student, whatever you know, so just try to speak out. If you don't know, so you can explain or elaborate in Hindi, whatever your native. So vocabulary is also most important part for speaking, I must say, because vocabulary is the treasure of English. If we know vocabulary, so we can make our conversation, make our speech beautiful. If we like use something
Yes, yes,
modern, if we like use something advanced vocabulary in our conversation, so we make our conversation effective. I can say this is
yes,
a
yes.
huge
And ma'am, you
reason.
are
That's
right.
the reason people want to connect with the tutor. like English Yari, Clappingo, because they are using different. They are using something new.
Yes,
They are using phrases, idioms, and some smart vocabulary. That's the reason people chasing them.
yes, you're right. Actually, listening and speaking both are very important for learning this language, because always you have to think, how did you learn your native language? Always by listening and by speaking. Yeah, reading is also important. Yeah, reading is also important. By reading, you can learn so many vocabulary which are very important for learning this language. Yeah, and another part is very important. That is thinking. Thinking is very important. Yeah, if you every single day, whatever you are doing in your whole day, if you practice thinking in English, you can learn this language very easily. Yeah. And ma'am, do you practice thinking in English?
Yeah, actually, earlier I used to think a lot, but nowadays I can say I think, but not every time. What
Yes,
about
yes,
you?
yes. And yes, I always try to think in English, and wherever I will go and whatever I will see, I always try to think English. Maybe in the morning time, when I go to the hospital, and on the going to the hospital, at that time, whatever I see, I always try to think in English. Yeah.
All right, that's a great.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, and what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, actually, I don't get too much free time being a teacher, being a homemaker, being a mother of one kid. So I don't have free time because, and being a YouTuber, I can say whenever I get free, just I love to editing my video. I love to making thumbnail because earlier I don't know how to make thumbnail before started my channel. So whenever I
Yes,
get
yes,
free, so I try to do something new, especially for editing. So I'm doing like that. And I love to also scroll my phone whenever I get free or feeling monotonous, then I don't want to do something else. Then I love to scroll my phone.
yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. Nowadays, I noticed that many YouTubers, they are always
Sir, your
using the
voice,
English
your pic's blurring. Your pic
picture.
is not, yes, yes, your pic is not clear.
Right now, okay?
Yes, little bit.
Yes, I would like to ask one question to you. Nowadays, I noticed that many YouTubers, they are always taking the subscription on the English Study and Clapping Go. Yeah, and did you take any subscription in Clapping Go or English Study?
No, not yet. Because I think English Yari or Clappingo, it's too much costly. I think 4,000 rupees per month. So, because
Yes,
they are YouTuber. They earn from YouTube, so they can afford easily. But still, I am just here learning. I don't get from anything through the YouTube channel. Yes, when my channel get monetized, so I will also definitely purchase, or I can say took subscription through English Yari because I love to listen Nankishore sir. I love to way of
yes,
speaking, and I love to his way of explaining things, elaborating things. So yeah, but I don't want to purchase now because if
yes,
we get something, then it's a benefit to spend something. What
yes, yes.
What do
And
you
ma'am,
think
I have
about you?
watched. Yes, actually, I did not take any subscription on the English Study and Clappingo, but according to me, in future maybe I will take any subscription, because there is a good trainer. Yeah, there is a good trainer. I watch so many video on the YouTube channel, and they are also uploading the video on the YouTube channel. I watched so many video. Yeah, and they are also and they always they find out what kind of mistake I am doing while speaking English. After that also they rectify. Yeah, and that's why
Hmm.
also it is also good application. But maybe in future I will take the subscription.
Why don't you now? Because I think you are also earning from YouTube channel.
Yes, but yes, actually maybe actually according to me, I am not satisfied, yeah, in my English.
All right, but don't think like that. You have to just take a trial, like take a, what should I say? There is no need to spend more and more money. Just you have to, what should I say? I forget that particular name. As like demo class, you have to just spend, I think 95 rupees. Then you can take
Oh,
demo
yes.
class. You can see what is, how do you feel?
Yes. Yes, definitely in future I will take a subscription. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. You have been running a YouTube channel for a long time. I have watched so many video on your YouTube channel, and you have made so many video with big YouTuber. Yeah, big YouTuber. I have noticed. And ma'am, what kind of comments are you getting from your YouTube channel? Are you getting good comments? Are you getting bad comments? What kind of comment are you getting from your YouTube channel?
By God grace, I always getting good comment, motivate kind of comment. Yeah.
Yes, 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 definitely. There is no chance for making a bad comment. Right now, you are doing a good job. Yeah. And I asked this question to another person, and she told me, yeah, in the YouTube from the YouTube channel, I am getting bad comments for making mistake. Yeah. I also told you, yeah, mistake is common. Yeah, everyone makes mistake, and we are learning a new language, and that's why mistake is common.
Mm-hmm. Right, right.
But I am not getting any bad comment from my YouTube channel.
Yeah, because your way of speaking good, that's the reason. If we are speaking good, if we are not doing like commitment, any bad comment to anyone, so why we getting, I can say, bad comment, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually,
Sir,
I am getting. Yes,
mm-hmm. Yes, you
I
complete,
am.
then I ask.
Yes, I have already getting a one comment from my friend circle, not from YouTube, from my friend circle, and they told me, yeah, you have completed the graduation in mathematics subject, and you know, during before joining the hospital, I used to teach I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. And at that time, there were 120 students in a six batches. I always like teaching. I always like teaching. But they told me, why you open a English channel? Why did not open a mathematics channel? Yeah, they asked me. But I replied that I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. I know very well mathematics. But during my study, I was very weak English subject. At that time, I did not know how to make a sentence in English properly, and I was
Mm-hmm.
very weak English subject. That's why also I have started my English speaking journey, and I want to be a good English speaker. This is my goal. Yeah.
Yes, I can. I must say you definitely achieve your goal because you are doing with consistency and persistency. So you will definitely achieve your goal. But just we take time because it is not our native language. It's not a piece of
Yes,
cake
yes,
for us. So if we do continue, we will definitely uh, go our destination. I can say achieve our destination.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, I know very
So
well.
would you
Practice is the
like
most
to,
important thing. Yes, yes,
would you
Akshmit.
like to tell me, apart from video call, do you also love to connect audio call? Do you also use audio call?
Nowadays I don't use audio call, but when I do my night duty in the hospital, and around 3 a.m. or 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. at that time, there the patient has not come in the hospital, and at that time also I use the another CB application, and using that application I connect with another person for audio call.
People are available 2:30 a.m. or 3.
Yes, yes. There are so many people are available at that time.
All right, okay. So how's the experience over there on CV application?
Yes, CB application is good because every single day 30 minutes free and the sound is clear. There is no network problem. But in the CB application only for audio call purpose. There is no option for video recording. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right. So do you also read books?
No, no, no. I don't like reading. It is boring to me. Yeah, that's why I had to struggle a lot for learning the vocabulary. And I don't like reading. And whenever I get free time, that's why I always watch the YouTube video in English and with subtitle. And at that time, I read. And after watching the whole video, I collect few new vocabulary. And after collecting the new vocabulary, I always try to make new sentence using those vocabulary. I know very well if I don't make new sentence using those vocabulary, definitely I will forget. That's why also I follow this rule. And right now also in this way also I am improving my vocabulary skill. My vocabulary skill is very weak.
All right, sir. Just we remain only 3 minutes. So if
All
we
right.
have any questions, so you can ask.
No, no, no.
Otherwise,
All right.
mhm.
It was nice conversation with you, and thank you for giving me valuable time. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yes, thank you so much. I also enjoyed a lot, and thank you so much also. You're giving me precious time. All
All right,
right.
ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.